In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Yahoo Mail to explore some of its settings and features. Whether you're a longtime user or just getting started, these steps will streamline your experience and make sure you're making the most out of what Yahoo Mail has to offer. First, let's get started by heading over to Yahoo Mail. Open up your web browser and type in the web address mail.yahoo.com. Once the page has loaded, you'll see your inbox with all your emails neatly arranged by priority. This is your starting point for accessing various settings. Next, to access the settings, locate the menu button represented by three small dots in the upper right corner of your inbox. It acts as a navigation hub where you can manage different features in Yahoo Mail. Go ahead and give that a click. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options to choose from. Now, we're going to dive into the settings by selecting the option labeled Settings. Clicking on it will open a new pane on the right side of your screen displaying various customization options that you can adjust to suit your preferences. In this pane, you'll want to look for and click on Mailboxes. This section contains all the information and settings regarding the email addresses associated with your Yahoo Mail account. Tinkering with these settings can often help tailor your inbox to your specific needs. Once you're in the Mailboxes section, look for your email address listed there. Clicking on your email will bring up additional options specific to how you manage that particular email account. It is a neat feature to help manage multiple accounts if you have them. One important feature to note that you might discover in this area is the auto forwarding option. This feature is particularly useful if you want to automatically forward incoming emails from your Yahoo account to another email address you regularly use. However, do keep in mind that this feature is only available if you subscribe to Yahoo Mail Plus. If you don't have Yahoo Mail Plus, this option won't be available, but it's worth knowing it exists should you decide to upgrade in the future. With these steps, you now have a good understanding of how to access and utilize some helpful features within Yahoo Mail. These tools are designed to enhance your email experience, so take some time to explore and customize your settings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on making the most of your online tools.